Why do tigers live alone? Tigers are one of the most fascinating species in the animal kingdom, from their behavior patterns to the environment and the reason for their repeatedly growing engagement. Tigers are rare and beautiful animals, and many zoologists agree they are one of the most interesting mammals to study. A sad and completing trait that stick out among the rest, solitude and isolation, is the tiger's chosen way to live. While the reason for this are vast, there are plenty of the factors to the consider when it comes to understanding why tigers live alone. Tigers live alone for reasons that are based on real behaviors research and also species charming circumstances. The short tigers are extremely territorial, meaning that they make their own space and want to occupy it all themselves. They seem up gravitated towards feeling in independence because it's easier to the hunt the way. Tiger break from their solitude of rare occasions, usually to mate or what argued animal. Do tigers ever live in group? If there are a group of tigers constantly living together, this would be considered very rare. However, just because it's rare does not mean it never happened. A group of tigers cohabited could be explained by the several factors. For instance, maybe the size of their chosen territory is the relatively small together, therefore less room for true solitude and isolation. Tigers may also be found living together in their territory of near a high population of prey. A similarly endless supply of food would certainly causes number of tigers to live in same vicinity. Why do lions live in group, whereas tigers are solitary? The reason why lions and tigers differ in their living and hunting habit has to do with the environment they have enveloped it. Lions typically hunt in the wide open plains of Africa. There were rarely anything for one lion in hide behind, let alone the whole group, thus hunting their prey. Tigers, on the other hand, have so much jungle to hide behind that they can catch their prey completely up the ground. Lions have great shamim, stalling up the strength and can often charge down their prey for long period of time. Lions are done for heavy reason of the height and their features and respected of the other animal species. On the other hand, tigers are used to the thick, dense jungle environment. The tiger can easily hunt alone by the hunting behind the tree of the husband in places when he the time right. But the tiger traveled in group. The changes of the bring here of the greater, therefore they usually just keep themselves. On the other hand, animals who can self isolation are usually very powerful. Tigers are the perfect example of this. They have been known to take down belly of the content of all by themselves, and they are live in dense jungle of Asia. Tigers are given immunity of the power and the purely and the hiding space, meaning that they are most of the solitude.